At nakikita namin yung pawis kasi nga, yung silver nyo na paint.
Pawis and luha.
Coach, please.
Coach.
At talagang ready ka, Coach. Ang outfit, it's giving.
Yes.
I love it. That performance was different.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's something new for you, Kuya Rog.
Actually, sa ilang years ko sa industry, ngayon lang ako talaga may paint sa face. First time na talaga yung buong look matching. Pati si
Me too. It's actually my first time painting my whole face. Pero ayun, we did our best.
Yes,
so whatever the judges has to say, I feel like we're really happy. I think we worked hard on this and like lalo na for Rojo na hindi naman familiar sa kanya to. Ako kahit papaano I have a background doing this, but still of course this was a challenge. Syempre this is a partner thing.
So, thankful ako kay JM kasi talagang nandun siya to guide me and Coach April kasi hindi biro ang afro pero habang sinasayaw ako nag-enjoy ako kasi ang sarap niya talaga sayo.
Yes,
and syempre
yes,
with
yes.
you pa, so mas
True.
confident ako na nakakuha rin ako ng energy.
Pero kinakabahan to guys. Before kami sumalang, asan ako, sobrang dal ko. Kasi nga, gini-GV ko na lang na before sumalang kahit medyo kabado ko. GV lang, kinakausap ko si Coach April. Tapos, si Rojun ganito lang siya the whole time guys.
Seryoso siya.
Internalize.
Sabi ko, Rog, okay ka lang. Sabi niya, hindi, okay lang ako.
Double meaning, hindi okay.
Siyempre,
Pero ayun.
ikaw ba coach? Ano pong outlook niyo sa naging final performance ng dalawa?
Siyempre proud ako dun sa dalawa kasi alam kong binigay talaga nila yung best nila dun sa performance. Alam mo yun? Like pinaghirapan talaga nila. May times na like gabi na talaga kami nag-rehearse para lang matapos namin yung piece. So
Yes.
sobrang proud sa kanila. Alam ko na kahit mahirap yung style, like dancing with shades and with all this paint, no, sobrang hirap.
Yeah.
But napagtagumpayan nila lahat yun.
Yes.
Congratulations guys.
Thank you. So for me siguro, like, maybe we just have to really like, to be present most of the time. Like performing.
Ako siguro, para sa akin, na-enjoy ko yung dance and wala naman talagang perfect eh. Pero para sa akin, na-enjoy ko yung dance, binigay ko yung heart ko doon.
Yes.
Yun yung panalo para sa akin.
Fulfillment, no?
True.
On the floor.